When you start a practice of meditation, when you start cultivating the mind, you can read about meditation. You can watch videos about it and form an opinion on what you think meditation is. You can speculate about it, doubt it, welcome it, resent it, love it, or hate it. The Buddha said that we should not believe anything just based on hearsay. We should not blindly follow and accept something because it is tradition, because it has been passed along for generations. We should not succumb to peer pressure and accept everything that we have been told is true. We should not believe or adhere to anything unless we truly have experienced it to be the truth, our own truth. Do not let anything come between you and the truth. Before and when you start a meditation retreat, they will tell you to stay away from reading and speculating about meditation, whether it is by yourself or with others. Experience and see it within your heart. When it comes to meditation or life, Ehipassiko, come and see for yourself.